Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Lori. This is Lori's Cozy Homestead coming at ya. Today we're gonna do some jalapeno poppers, bacon wraps. That's why I have the gloves on. When you're working with any kind of jalapenos, green chilies, anything that's hot, I recommend that you wear gloves because you can get chemical burns and it's very painful, and if you rub your eyes, you're burning here. It's just better to wear gloves. I promise you. All right, let's go ahead. Come on, let me show you. Okay, so here are my jalapenos. This is the way I'm going to show you how I cut them. And I take the seeds and the veins out. And we're going to stuff them with cream cheese and cheddar cheese. This is where you can have fun and do your own thing. Alrighty, so you're gonna get a little knife, cut down the center. Don't go all the way through, just enough to pierce the top of the jalapeno. Kind of pull it apart gently so it doesn't break. And then pull out all of this, because this is the very hot stuff. All the seeds, all of this stuff is super hot. Get rid of as much as you can, and your jalapeno should look like this. Pretty clean. Let me show again. This is why it's important to use gloves too, because you are, touching all of these seeds and veins, and that's what causes the chemical burn. It's not the outside of the jalapeno, it's what's on the inside that gives you the burn. Just cleaned out like so. One more. And it should look like that. Okay. Okay, so let's go ahead and mix this up. I'm just going to use my hands. It's one whole container of cream cheese, one of these. And then just like, I don't know, 3/4 or a cup of cheese. And this is, I'm gonna put that aside. And you're gonna take the cream cheese mixture and just put it right on the inside. Just like that. Then you're gonna get your bacon, a full piece of bacon. Okay, my bacon's a little bit sad right now. And just wrap it around the popper. Okay. Okay, let's do another one. I have to say, this bacon that I got, it's thin bacon. But it's so sad. It's like so thin. It's extremely thin. But it's okay. It's still going to be delicious. You just wrap it all the way around.
You ready?
One more. There we go. And let me finish the rest and I'll be right back. Okay, for a couple of them, I went ahead and took some of this bacon since it's so sad. And I actually stuffed it inside as well. And I'm still gonna wrap it, but I just wanted to show you. When you're making poppers, you can stuff them however you want. And for bacon lovers, as myself and my husband, I'm gonna try this for the first time and then we'll see how it is. Okay. This other package of bacon's a little better. It's not so sad and just so skinny, falling apart. So I think these that have bacon stuffed inside of them with the cheese are gonna be extra special. I'm excited. And this bacon sticks to itself, so you don't need to put toothpicks or anything like that. Okay, so here's what they look like. I have them on a wire rack so the bacon grease can drip, and then so the heat can just kind of flow and cook them all around. So let's put them in a 375 degree oven for about 45 minutes, but you might want to check on them to make sure the bacon's not burning. Okay, so they came out of the oven. They've been sitting probably like 10 minutes. They look delicious, so let's try one. Alrighty, here we go. Mmm. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Mmm. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, 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 mm. Mmm. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Delicious. Tender. The bacon's a tiny bit crispy. The combination of the cream cheese and the cheddar cheese, awesome. Awesome. And this one also had some bacon in it, and that just even made it better. So there you have it, guys. These are my poppers, my jalapeno poppers. Wonderful appetizer, wonderful treat, wonderful snack. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. And if you liked my videos, if you like any of my videos, please subscribe. What you got to lose? And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. Well, guys, we'll see you in the next one. Bye.